a step sequencer, right?
That's correct, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a belt which runs underneath, which has 3 rods on it. And then when one rod gets to the end there, the next one starts there. Okay, yeah. So and then the rods knock over these little pegs, which have a little tail for being knocked. Then there's a copper strip on the peg, which closes these tracks along here. And it's kind of a coded system which relates to these set of relays underneath here, which goes to this bank of switches, which is linked to this set of outputs here.
Is each peg a different output?
Each peg relates to 4 outputs at the back, so you can trigger 4 sounds from each peg. And putting the switch that way selects the one output there. Triggering that way is that one there, and that one selects that one. And that one. So,
how can you make music with that? Or sound, or whatever, you know? How can you produce?
I mean, these relates to sort of points in time. So you can, as a step sequencer works on a computer, you sort of put dots in boxes on a computer one. So yeah, I mean, same thing applies to this.
Does it send out a little electronic signal that you can plug into, let's say, like a synthesizer or something to trigger it? Is that
theoretically you could do that? Yeah. At the moment, it's working like button presses. So it's called a gate, like doing that. A gate sort of circuit. So yeah, it's like just a circuit closing. So anything that would have a button like this little.
So it's like a button press, basically.
It's like a button press, yes. I'm just going to pop the lid on this because I'll sort of show off the wiring. It took me ages. There's the relays and the laborious wiring and my home ec circuit board. It's a miracle it actually works to some extent because it's so fiddly. Yeah.